Hello, everybody.
I'm lighting my screen up to you guys to see. A lot better. Today we gotta do more laps around the...
Another lap around the block.
This time I have 1,000
So
laps.
it's almost night. We still have a little bit of
Everybody can see me like it's sun. My screen is sunny. Right, guys?
So what are we gonna start today?
It's
we're gonna do some
almost
Pokemon
nighttime,
catching. I already see two here, and two very nice ones.
I'm trying to get the first one.
Which one is this one here? Woodpur.
Wooper is a water and ground Pokemon. It is vulnerable to grass moves. Wooper's strongest moveset is Water Gun and Mud Bomb, and it has a max CP of 641. Wooper evolves into Quagsire.
Excellent throw today.
Yes.
Who wins more excellent strokes wins.
I think this is gonna be the first catch of the day, so I'm gonna get 1,500
You get-
XPs for the first catch of the day.
Who gets excellent throws wins the battle. Who gets more excellent throws?
First throw with curveball and first catch. Let's see
Look
this
at the
one here.
moon. What's that?
So 1 star.
What?
Seadra is a water Pokemon which evolves from Horsia. It is vulnerable to grass and electric moves. Seadra's strongest moveset is Water Gun and Hydro Pump, and it has a max CP of 2093. Seadra evolves into Kingdra.
Let's see how
Who
many.
wins the best throw today
Broke
wins the whole play date.
Excellent throw, Lucas!
Yes.
My second throw of the
I
day.
can't
Did
even
an
see a
excellent throw.
Pokemon,
Let's
that's
see what
why.
we're gonna get. Look at that, Lucas. You have some people with Halloween decoration already.
Yes, I'm trying to get an excellent throw.
Ooh, excellent throw with double candy, 10 candies.
I'm getting
one
my
triangle candy.
excellent whoop.
Curveball and Pokemon
I got
catch.
nothing. No, I liked it. Okay, I'm gonna make it stylish.
So this one
time.
you can
I'm gonna do a flip,
evolve
triple
in
flip,
with
1,000 flips.
100 candies, and we just have 45, so we need some more to evolve it.
This is good.
Kadabra is a psychic Pokemon which evolves from Abra. It is vulnerable to a bug, ghost, and dark moves. Kadabra's strongest moveset is Confusion and Shadow Ball, and it has a max CP of 2059. Kadabra evolves into Alakazam.
Let's catch this Kadabra now.
Excellent. What you pop?
You got a Eevee there, Lucas?
I'm trying to do an excellent throw every
Is that
time I
Eevee?
can't.
So
Oh,
Kadabra
Eevee
just
is
ran over. I
done,
think I'm gonna
baby.
use a yellow ball for this one here.
Ah! You score balls. You score balls and watch out. Score ball is like that.
Which one
Oh
are you trying to
yeah,
catch?
baby.
You're trying to catch Eve?
Yes. His
you
name
catch
is not her name or him. His name is not Eve.
Thank
It's-
hands for that one. Don't yell. See? Kadabra, it evolves with 100 candies, and we already got 121, so we can evolve that one.
I
So,
got more than 121.
do you?
Yes, I got
So
1,000.
the thing is, we try to find one with a 3-star one to evolve it. So this one wouldn't be a good candidate to evolve it.
Today I'm gonna catch Pokemons.
Oh, I see the Eve here, and I see this one here.
The name
this
is not
bird.
Eevee.
Eevee.
Then, yes.
I'm gonna do a fast catch here. Fast catch. Do like this. When we have a bunch, we try to catch that one.
Poliwhirl is a water Pokemon which evolves from Poliwag. It is vulnerable to grass and electric moves. Poliwhirl's strongest moveset is Bubble and Return, and it has a max CP of 1419. Poliwhirl evolves into Poliwrath, Politoed.
How can that not be excellent? I'm killing.
Kirlia is a psychic and fairy Pokemon which evolves from Ralts. It is vulnerable to poison, ghost, and steel moves. Kirlia's strongest moveset is Confusion and Psychic, and it has a max CP of 966. Kirlia evolves into Galot, Gardevoir.
Time
Lucas,
is
do
up.
you see this little fish? You have the little fish.
I'm not catching the little fish. I'm catching the Wino one.
Tynamo.
Do you have a Wino in your screen? Because I got a Wino one. We will be here for 1 hour. Ready win.
Deixa desse barulho com a boca, Lucas.
We are gonna be 1 hour
Which
here.
one are you trying to catch?
I'm trying to catch the Wino. There's no rhino in your screen. Let me show you the rhino what I'm trying to catch.
Rhino?
Yes. Let me show you. It's this rhino.
Where is it?
I got it.
Did you see there in the wild?
Rhino? More like see it in the wild. And I'm catching all types of Pokemon what my dad is never gonna catch. He's never seen these Pokemon that I'm catching. You know why, right guys? It's the 50-minute timer.
I see a Teamrocket here, Lucas.
I'm not betting no Teamrocket today, baby.
I can never beat him. Let's try to beat him today.
Watch
Hard to beat Giovanni. Let's try to do it again. I'm gonna do it today, no matter what. Let's see.
Watch out. I'm catching our Eevee. It's tiny Eevee. White Eevee. It's tiny. I'm just kidding. But there's more percentage chance.
Eevee is a normal Pokemon. It is vulnerable to fighting moves. Eevee's strongest moveset is Quick Attack and Last Resort, and it has a max CP of 1071. Eevee evolves into Vaporeon, Jolteon, Flareon, Espion, Umbreon, Leafeon, Glaceon, Sylveon.
Junior.
I'm betting Giovanni, Lucas. Teamrocket.
I'm catching Hunter. Hunter. Nice!
Oh my god, he is always...
Hunter. Today is Hunter Day. Hunter. Today is Hunter Day. Spooky Halloween. Hunt time.
Hunter is a ghost and poison Pokemon which evolves from Ghastly. It is vulnerable to ground, ghost, psychic, and dark moves. Hunter's strongest moveset is Shadow Claw and Shadow Ball, and it has a max CP of 1963. Hunter evolves into Jengar.
I'm doing my special water. It's time to Patroga. That was really cool how they're saying excellent one. Because it was oh yeah baby. Cool baby, shooting. They can see me from the screen. I don't know why they didn't say yes, excellent. But I think it's excellent for me. Excellent for me.
Oh no, I didn't even get close at this time. I was too far behind with Giovanni. It's pretty hard to beat him. Let's try once again. I'm gonna just change the Pokemon, the first one now.
Oh, it's never gonna work.
Let's revive those three. I think those are...
Water, spiky water. I want to see water. Time. Throw catches. If I get a shiny white here one day in the video, I'm gonna...
Let's try to do this sequence now. Let's see how we go. So which one are you catching now, Lucas?
I'm catching the water one.
The water one? Did you catch it?
Ooh. One day saw Pennywise here, and he was looking real and got like almost like a real knife. I just went away, but it wasn't a real knife. It was almost like him. Look, he talks. Why he's not talking? He should be talking. Why?
Yeah, Lucas.
Nothing.
That's a nice one, Lucas. They just set up the Halloween. Woohoo!
Dad, can you come here with me, please?
Are you scared?
No.
Where you wanna go? I'm burying Giovanni here.
Look, guys.
Litwick is a ghost and fire Pokemon. It is vulnerable to ground, rock, ghost, water, and dark moves. Litwick's strongest moveset is Ember and Flame Burst, and it has a max CP of 1006. Litwick evolves into Lampent.
It should be talking.
Wow. Huh?
If you touch it, it talks.
He talks?
Over his head.
No, he doesn't. He doesn't talk. Just don't touch it. Be careful.
He talks when I was little, and I didn't have a...
Yeah? Look at the spider, Lucas. It's a beautiful spider. Huh? It's
That's a
big
spider?
one.
Oh, that's not a spider. That's Kawupson.
It's
Tells
a
you.
big spider.
That's not a spider. That's Kawupson.
This is a nice house,
Thank-
Lucas. A lot of. What about this? What about this one here, Lucas? He's in a motorcycle. Do you see this one?
It's
The
fine.
skeleton
I know
on a
him.
motorcycle.
I know him. He's famous.
Is he famous?
Yes, that skeleton is famous. He tries to kill people in a game.
Yeah, Lucas. I just see a Stuffle now. A Stuffle.
Who's Stuffle?
Stuffle is a cute one.
Stuffle is a normal and fighting Pokemon. It is vulnerable to fighting, flying, psychic, and fairy moves. Stuffle's strongest moveset is Tackle and Superpower, and it has a max CP of 1352. Stuffle evolves into Beware.
And it needs 400 to evolve, Lucas. A lot. Look at that. We just have 3. We're so far away to evolve that one.
Okay. Then he's gonna be so. He's gonna kill him. Yes, you gonna be that. What?
So what do we have? We have a gem right there in the front. Is a yellow gem, and we have this.
Train. I can't.
Sandslash.
That's him.
The ball went almost to the center.
What?
We almost got a perfect, excellent throw.
Ching, ching, ching. Kill it. Ching. What are you doing? Time to catch you, Slate.
So let's see.
Don't throw my ball away. I'm gonna catch you and my
So which
Pokeball.
one?
My Master Ball. I hacked
What else,
into the
Lucas?
skin,
Let's go,
but
let's go.
Master Ball is in mine.
Let's go. Let's see what we have on that gem. Do we have a yellow gem there? Let's
Yellow.
take a look at what we have in that
I
gem.
want to kill that yellow gem. It's gonna be blue right away.
Hey, Lucas,
You
there
need
is a.
some-
We can battle there.
There's a Pokemon.
Yeah.
Is there a egg? Let me see.
SUNKERN.
Oh, that's 1 star.
It's a 1-star. We can battle it.
Yes, we not.
SUNKERN is a grass Pokemon. It is vulnerable to flying, poison, bug, fire, and ice moves. SUNKERN's strongest moveset is Razor Leaf and Grass Knot, and it has a max CP of 395. SUNKERN evolves into Sunflora.
Look, there's a Pokemon here for you to get. There's this Pokemon. Go and get it.
Oh, let's get. It's a crab.
Yes, there's a Pokemon for you to get.
Let me get the crab then.
Go and get it. That's fine.
Remote pass, Lucas. We have a remote. We don't need a remote pass. Did you get your free bag today? Your free box?
I'm gonna
Daily
get
free
it right
box?
now.
Let's see what we have. We have a couple of things, Lucas.
But I'm gonna kill
The
them.
balls.
I don't need to use it. Go and get your crab right now, okay?
Another Eve, Lucas. Another Eve
There's
here.
a crab, right?
I didn't see the crab.
Because I tricked you.
Oh, gee.
You know how I got my crab?
How did you get it?
By incest.
In
me
one
see.
of one of your tasks?
The 15-minute timer. What you have to stay walking to get some Pokemons.
Oh, did you get that task done? Walking with your buddy, and you get enough time walking with your buddy, then
No.
you complete the task.
No, I didn't get. My buddy's not even out.
So you didn't feed your buddy?
Yes, I don't know.
You did not.
No, I didn't feed my buddy.
So
My
it's not
dad
gonna-
can see, but I can see everything. I'm not very turned on.
So if you didn't feed your buddy, it's not counting some hearts to become a best buddy.
I'm
You
already
have to-
second best buddy.
Yeah, but you can have multiples.
My buddy's out here.
The more you have, the better.
I think I got a shiny. Is this a shiny?
Which one?
You're not gonna see it. It's in my answer. Hi. Ikaw din ko ni Pokemon na Pwede lang ver com ele.
No, I don't think so, Lucas.
He is playing Pokemon. Please, let's go there.
No, you just walked.
I saw him getting a Pokemon.
Let's see in the way back. It's not-
People get Pokemon like this house, and he was doing this. He
Really?
was getting a Pokemon. Let's go back.
No, he's already far away, Lucas. We're gonna meet
I
him in
want-
the once you may
Don't-
cross him again.
That's not good. This is a bad jam. We have to go here to him. We gotta trade some Pokemon to him. He's gonna get really lucky. But we're gonna trade a lot. Knock in the face one.
Lucas, I don't have pineapples anymore.
Oh, that's great. My dad's gonna stop playing Pokemon.
Ducklett is a water and flying Pokemon. It is vulnerable to electric and rock moves. Ducklett's strongest moveset is Water Gun and Brave Bird, and it has a max CP of 856. Ducklett evolves into Swanna.
So the first spin of
This
the
my
day.
flashlight.
Get a lot. Let's go, Lucas. Get closer here.
No, we gotta sit down over there.
Huh?
We're not gonna battle it from here. We gotta sit down.
Let's get close to the Pokestop here. Let's go.
We're gonna sit down over there.
Yeah,
Okay?
we're gonna sit for a moment.
Oh, he's so cute. He's so cute. He's so cute. Cute. Time to so cute. We're gonna end this video when we battle this.
Okay.
When we win the battle, we're gonna stop the video and my dad's gonna put it in his pocket and I'm gonna be running back home.
Litwick.
Yes, let's battle.
Litwick. Let's catch this Litwick here.
I'm not catching liquid. I'm gonna battle him before catching the liquid.
Slow down, because you may be going too fast there.
I'm not going nothing else too fast.
Lucas.
Oh
Break
my,
the chair.
I'm a ghost. You see me? I'm all
So
green.
ready?
I'm a ghost.
Let's battle this one here. We
No,
just have 7 minutes left.
we
Are
only.
you ready?
Yes, 3, 2, 1, and press. Waddy,
So I'm there. Let me just revive my...
you're not here with me. Oh yes, you are. I'm getting my
just
best.
gonna revive and I'm gonna
That's
make
your
sure
plan.
that my buddy is here too. So
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let the battle begin with my face on my dad.
Oh,
No time to attack him. Attack. Start attacking. And you know who did the final strike? Me. You know how?
it was quick, Lucas. Look at
This
that.
because of my
You
Pokemon.
won quickly.
You did a ghost type. I did a fire type.
Let's see.
The fire type is good against that one. Final strike. Told you. I used my fire type. That's why it's that.
You gave the final strike, Lucas.
Because I use my fire type.
And I am the stamina specialist.
What's that? Because I just got
Means that
him.
I'm very, very strong.
Because I just got him. And my blue is more gusto because it's blue. Give us some more ideas of playing games, guys. More ideas, more fun. Got him first try. Oh yeah, baby. I'm getting these ghost ones.
Did you catch it?
Yes, first try.
First try?
Yes.
That's great.
When did first try also?
Yeah, I got first try. And the 3-star Lucas, very good.
I didn't see none of it.
Almost perfect.
Because I didn't see mine. I didn't see if it was 3-star or not.
Look at the Rhino you mentioned. Right here, did you catch a Rhino?
I mentioned the rhino from all the way over there. There's 2 rhinos in my screen. You're catching one of it, and there's another one what spawned.
So I think I just caught Rhino as well. Let's see how strong it is.
I'm catching all the Pokemon I can see, guys. I'm catching these 2 rhinos,
This
and the
one's
video is
probably
up because I'm gonna be running. I don't want to run with my
Let's spin the
telephone.
Pokestop. Let's spin the gem here. And let's
I'm an old
go.
man. I'm an
Let's
old
go.
man. I'm an old man. I'm an old man.
Oh, I spin the gem and got my free pass again. So
Yes.
I can battle again in another gem. So
But
we
we're
usually
not
can
gonna battle
twice.
today.
Let's go. No. Let's get going there. We just win that one.
Goodbye, guys.
I think we're done for today, guys. We just walking doing some Pokemon.
Bye.
Pokemon. Take care, everybody.